Well, it's May and the bugs are coming. It's starting off right now here with the flies and mosquitoes. The spiders are going to start to move around because guess what? Spiders eat those insects. And as we get warmer and starts to get a little bit more humid, you're going to see those big American roaches start to fly around. Now is a great time to get your pest management service started. Whether that be a one-time service, starting a regular pest control program, or simply giving us a call for some basic information, we are here to help you. Versatech services both commercial and residential facilities. We can handle everything you can throw at us except for termites. So please feel free to contact us anytime. We'd be happy to set up an absolutely free consultation so that we can come out, answer all of your questions, and make sure we get you the right service options. Come on, contact Versatech. Let us show you why we're the #1 most trusted pest control company in all of Southern California.